Hey there folks, Will here over at fxace.com. First of all, welcome to the video. End of another trading week. Bit of a hectic week this week with all the interest rate decisions across UK, Europe and the US. But we've got through it. We've had some nice profits this week. If you've been paying attention in the Facebook group or the videos that I've been uploading. Now you can subscribe to the YouTube channel here and stay up to date, or simply join the Facebook group via the link below in the description area. So what I want to show you today is a trade I've just placed on the Euro JPY, and I just want to explain to you what's actually happening on the Euro JPY at the minute. Okay, so you know the other day I made a video of a trade I placed in the Euro JPY. We entered here and we got out up here in this spike up from the US interest rates. So that was a nice 50 pip move up to this area here. So it was. Now what's happened now, the market has continued to drop lower. So it's taken out this zone here and it's moved down to the next daily area here, which is what happens when the market is moving down. Okay, so this was your last leg up. We'll just look at the weekly here. This is your last leg up here. Market is now retracing this last leg up and it's moving down. What will happen? It will start popping off. Now listen carefully, it will start popping. Popping means it'll start bouncing at areas that caused highs in the last leg up. So like this area here caused this high. It's come down, it's popped at it. See, we had a nice, I don't know, 200 pip move. That's what trade we took the other week up to 132. We called it. It's come back down to test it again. More or less, if it's in a downtrend, it'll always bounce at the first test, and then as it comes down to test it again, it'll take it out. So what's happening now? It's come down, it's taking it out, it's moving down to the next zone, which is here, which is where we are now. So I've taken a short-term trade on day trade on the daily, based on a daily and a 4-hour level. Based on a daily and a 4-hour level. So this is the daily area here, and then we have a small 4-hour level within the daily, and then we'll zoom in to the smaller time frame. So you can see here price drops and pop down, but the indicator's starting to move higher. Okay, so see we're getting the divergence. So targeting this is small trade up to here, up to 129,900. We'll see what happens. So what's likely to happen next is basically now we're retracing the last leg up. So the market will look to pop it up every area that caused new highs in the last trend up. Okay, so this area here caused this high. So this area caused this high. So the market's come down to pop it, and you can see this quite clearly as it's retracing. It's across all time frames. Okay, so this area caused this high, and you can see price comes down into this area, it pops. Now you'll always get a bigger pop at the higher time frame levels. And my mouse is starting to play up here. So this area here caused this high, this comes down into it, it pops. These areas caused these highs, comes down, it pops. This area caused this high, comes down and pops. See what I mean? And you'll see this across all time frames. So let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, you can see this is your last leg down. You can say the price looking like it wants to move higher here. So what's going to happen? It's going to pop at every area that caused new lows on the way back down. So this area caused this new low. Price comes up. What happens? It pops. Just a small pop, but it pops. Touches it on the first touch. So as it approaches this level again for the second time, with momentum, it's likely to break through and head up to target the higher time frames, because there's more liquidity at a higher time frame level. Okay, than the shorter terms. But if you're scalping, you can scalp the short term and the short term pops. But you've got to understand risk management. You've got to understand how much you're going to put on the trade, how many pips you're going to target, etc. So hope that made sense. It wasn't speaking too fast with the Irish accent. So again, likely to move on the Euro JPY. I'm playing it safe, trying to get a, as you can see we're already up around 10 pips. I'm targeting 50 pips, and I'll just watch it closely. But you can see I'm just targeting the hourly level. I could target this 4-hour level here, which is the 4-hour level that caused the last low into this area. This market drop, pause, new low. Drop, pause, new low. Drop, pause, new low. Where's it likely to hit first? Here. Quick liquidity. Likely, if it moves, breaks through here, it's likely to go up here because they'll get a lot more liquidity to push the market down. To start targeting these lows down here. Now, I did say a few weeks ago in one of my videos that the Euro JPY we're in for a big week, or sorry, a big year on the Euro JPY. It could be if it starts to go down here, because this monthly area up here, you can see the monthly area. You can see it's clearly in the monthly area. Areas that cause new lows. This caused this new low, and you see small pops. You can see, if you zoom in here, see we got a small pop here. We got a pop here, pop down, and then the big pop here. So as this up leg retraced this down leg, price popped at every level that caused new lows. So this level didn't cause any lows, so there wasn't much of a pop. This level caused this low, so there was a pop. You can see, pop, and up she goes. Bigger pop there because this caused a new low. This level didn't really. This level did. Got a pop there, comes back up here. See, you got a small pop here, leg down, comes into it at 131, but you can see the sort of bigger area just above it. Okay, so if you want to learn how to trade like this, you can simply head over to Udemy and check out my best-selling price action course and learn the secrets to actually trading like professional traders, and learning what I'm actually talking about here as the market moves and it's retracing legs up and legs down. So might sound a bit too much in this video, but trust me, if you actually learn how to trade like this, it's a lot easier and it's a lot more profitable. You can actually predict what the market's going to do before it actually happens. And that's a sign of being a professional. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn how to trade like I do, trading price action, simply head over to Udemy via the link below and check out my best-selling course over there. So any questions, get in contact with me over at will@thefxace.com, and I'll see you on the next video.